Hey guys, today you'll learn how to use your photo and turn it into an anime character with these simple and easy steps. This is also free unlike other apps and videos, so please watch until the end. First, go to your app store and search up Faceplay. You'll want to download this app. Once done, open it up. You'll need to look for a free effect since a lot of them need to be paid, but there are a few free ones. Now that you've found one, tap on it and click Free to Use. Now, you have two options. You can either select a photo from your gallery or take a picture now. Once you've chosen a photo, tap on Confirm. You'll have to wait a few moments for it to load. And when that's done, you can save it and post it on TikTok. Simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.